Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just explore new wallets, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Gemini account with your DOT tokens, a Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone, and two-factor authentication enabled for security. Oh, and always double-check network fees. Crypto transfers can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. Select Polkadot from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal process. Next, in Step 2, you need to get your Coinbase Wallet address. Open the Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive tab, and select Polkadot. Copy the wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful not to make any typos. Pro tip: always verify the network. For Polkadot, it's usually the Polkadot network itself. Now, back to Gemini. Paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of DOT you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm and approve the transaction via any security prompts. Step 3. Wait for the transfer to process. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic in 2025. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your DOT tokens arrive. Finally, a quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check details to avoid losing funds. If you're new to this, start with a small amount. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.